start at Camping Wassay Beach, a friendly site perched above the beach, with plenty of pitches, a small shop, and there's even a pool with water slides for the family. It's a great base for exploring the coast.
Hey there, we're at Sidi Wassay camping, so Stu's just having a little bit of downtime, so I thought I'd come and have a little walk down towards the swimming pool, which looks pretty good. We arrived here yesterday and just had a little walk at the beach. It's very nice. The pitches are right above the sea. There's not a lot else here, but there's a shop and things on site, so I think you can just see the sea behind me here. It's pretty rough here. Some signs along the coast not saying not to swim in the sea here. You can see why the waves are huge. Might be good for surfing, I guess, but yeah, I'm gonna head to the pool now. Lush. Pool's much warmer as well than the one was in Morocco. It's freezing there. Yeah, this one's in full sun all day, and although it's not heated, it's much warmer. Got water slides and that behind me. I'll show you them now. Very nice.
From here we head out along a long stretch of sand, the Atlantic rolling in beside us. The first landmark is the Mausoleum of Sidi Oussay, its white walls standing bright against the shore. Beyond it, the reality of the beach sets in, large amounts of litter scattered across the sand, a stark contrast to the natural beauty around it.
The shirt is off, and it isn't mine. Should we take bets now on how sunburnt Stu it is later? It got very hot all of a sudden. Let's just discovered what fish are. I would leave those big blue crabs alone if I was you.
Eventually, the path carries us into Souss Massa Nature Reserve, where the rewards are clear. Rare bald ibis, flocks of flamingos, and a variety of wading birds. Just be warned, the sand is deep, and Kath even lost a shoe on the way.
Oh, I lost my shoe.
I can see it. It's in that hole there.
This one?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh my god! It's wet. Look at that! Oh my god!
And at the end of the day, nothing beats watching the sunset from the campsite restaurant. Waves below, sky aglow.
Go and ask him for the Wi-Fi code. You guys think he should go and ask him for the Wi-Fi code from me, don't you? See? They miss me. The fans. They want to see me on the socials. Go and ask for the Wi-Fi code. You're so going to include this, aren't you?